Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothoughts Zero to Hero series, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, we are in lesson number 41 and I am going to show you something called Booleans. What is a Boolean? I am sure you would have studied in your mathematics in school. It's nothing but a true or a false, right? So basically a Boolean will represent only two values, either it can be true or it can be a false. In programming language, any programming language, not just Python, right, you often need to know if an expression is a true or a false. That's the logic you are going to apply time and again every time, right? You can evaluate any kind of expression in Python and get one of the two answers. The output is going to be true or a false. Okay, when you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python program returns the Boolean as an answer, as a true or false again. So let me show you an example, guys, with the code. Let's do some coding. All right, I am logged into my Jetson Nano. I am on my terminal. Let me create a new file using Nano IDE. In my Jetson Nano, the file is going to be Python file, of course. Nano bool.py. All right, now I am into my Nano IDE. Now let's create some interesting example. Let's say print 10 is greater than 9. Okay, now let us print 10 is equal 9. I'm just asking for an argument here. Okay, equal 9. Now let's print 10 is less than 9. Alright guys, what do you expect? Guess what should be the output. I'm just directly printing. Let's see. Control O, I am saving this file. Enter and then Control X to exit out of Nano. Now I am into my terminal. Let's execute this file, the Python file. Python 3 bool.py. True, false and false. Why? Of course 10 is greater than 9. And then the next one is false because 10, the argument is equal 9. No, it's not. It's false, right? 10 is less than 9. No, it is false. There you go. You got the answer. Let me clear this and show you some other example. Okay. Let's see. Let me think. All right. I can give you another example, guys. When you run a specific condition in a if statement, you saw the if statement, right? Of course, I'm going to teach you a lot about if and else statement in the upcoming videos, but this is just an example for you to understand the Boolean. So when you run a condition in an if statement, the Python program basically returns true or false. If this is true, if this is false, if this is y, blah, 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 whatever, right? And then you can print that as an output. Now let's see how it works. Let's go back to Nano. What was the file name? Python 3 bool.py. Oh no. Control X. There you go. What happened? Control, it's already there, right? I think we have this file already. Then why it's creating another file? Let's go to Nano. bool.py. I was not supposed to go. Yeah, there you go. Now let me just delete this program. Let's create a new one. Let's say A equals 200, B equals to 33. Okay, now let's issue a if statement. If B is greater than A, Guys, remember what did I tell you in the previous videos? Whenever you are using these statements, you are supposed to use what? Colon. Yes. You are, sorry, not a semicolon, but a colon. And then you are supposed to indentate, that is the indentation. Give a space and then print your B is greater than A. Okay, close the double quote and close the bracket. Now you go back. Now let's say else. If it is not greater than A, else, let's use a else statement. Else colon. Now let's go back to print and then a double quote. B is not greater than A. E is not greater than A. Okay, let me close the quote. Alright, do you think this is going to work, guys? Let's think. A equal to 200, B is equal to 33. If B is greater than A, alright, and then print B is greater than A. Else print B is not greater than A. I hope it's a very simple and straightforward logic you guys can understand. Control O, enter. Now I saved it. Let me exit. Control X. Let's execute this program, guys. Python 3 bool.py. B is not greater than A. Of course, it's not greater than A. Alright guys, so it's as simple as that. So I hope you guys understood how the Boolean stuffs work, right? It's simple, true or false. You can add any number of conditions and keep adding the bool. Alright guys, that's it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Do like this video and subscribe, and I'm going to be back soon in the next video.